What are you doing, Ruth? You're an idiot. Oh, jeez.
If you were building the perfect laptop, you'd use carbon fiber and machined aluminum to make it more beautiful and more durable. You'd use edge-to-edge Gorilla Glass for a stunning display in a more compact form. And you'd choose an Intel Core i7 processor for maximum processing power. Everything that you could ever want in a laptop. Introducing the Dell XPS 13 Ultra.
That's endless for you.
I used to not travel very much, but then I discovered Hotwire. Now, I use all my vacation days. I can afford to visit my folks for the holidays and reconnect with my girlfriends in Vegas because I get ridiculously low prices on all